Good morning, students. Today I am going to start with the IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. This is the last nomenclature in class 10 syllabus. I have done alkane, alkyne, halogens, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, and today carboxylic acid. Now see, as in aldehyde, same way in case of carboxylic acid also, the value of N can be 0. If we take this formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, value of N can be 0 in case of carboxylic acids also. As you have understood, in aldehyde it was 0. Same way over here also it can be 0. Now this is the functional group C double bond O and OH. Now this free valency is to be attached to either H or it can be attached to any other functional group. Any other alkyl group, not functional group, any other alkyl group, which means that it can be methyl, it can be ethyl, it can be propyl, any alkyl group can be added over here. Now the suffix is oic acid. What is the suffix? Oic acid. So carboxylic acid group is always present at the terminal, so there is no need to designate its position. That means always you have to start counting or always you have to start numbering of this carboxylic acid from the place or from the carbon where the carboxylic acid is present. Okay, so let us see the example. First one, C double bond O, OH. Only one valency is free. This valency, if I satisfy with one H. So now the formula becomes HCOOH. Because one carbon is present, so the root word becomes methane. Root word becomes methane. Okay, now in methane, what is added? A carboxylic acid. Which functional group is present? Carboxylic acid. What is the suffix for this functional group? Oic acid. So drop this E, it becomes methanoic acid. Okay, second one, again same functional group. To this free valency add one CH3. Now in this case you need to just count the number of carbon and find out the root word. Why I am saying so? Because the C double bond O will always be at the terminal carbon. अगर ये यहाँ की जगह इस तरफ होता, यहाँ पे CH3 होता और ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप इस तरफ होता, तो भी वो टर्मिनल कहलाता, और वो इस तरफ है तो भी वो टर्मिनल कहलाएगा. मतलब जहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड O प्रेजेंट है, आपको उस C को ही नंबर 1 पोजीशन देनी है, इर्रिस्पेक्टिव उस चेन में कितने कार्बन एटम्स हैं. सो नाउ 2 कार्बन, सो रूट वर्ड बिकम्स ethane. In ethane, what is present? Oic acid. Drop this E, it becomes ethanoic acid. Another one, same group, C double bond, O, OH, CH2, CH3. Simply count number of carbon atoms to find out the root word. 1, 2, 3. Propane. What is added to propane? A carboxylic group. What is the suffix for carboxylic group? Oic acid. So just drop this propanoic acid. Same way, next one. This time I will take the functional group this side. OH. So CH2, CH2, CH3. Just count. Again we have to count from this side only. Wherever the functional group is added, we need to count from that side only. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Root word becomes butane In this butane, what is added? One carboxylic group. So oic acid, just drop this E, butanoic acid. Understood? Like this, you can name a carboxylic compound. And whenever C double bond O is present, if there are multiple functional groups in that compound, you need to start numbering from C double OH group. This group is to be given प्रेफरेंस. फर्स्ट ग्रुप, अगर एक से ज़्यादा फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स हैं, जैसे एक कोई कंपाउंड है उसमें अल्कोहल भी है, उसमें हेलोजेंस भी हैं, उसमें बाकी भी और कोई फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, डबल बॉन्ड है या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, आपको नंबरिंग वहाँ से शुरू करनी है जहाँ पे कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप लगा है. उसके बाद बाकी कोई भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप किसी भी नंबर पे आने दो, उससे हमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. हमको कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप फर्स्ट नंबर पे लेना है. होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. थैंक यू. हैव अ सेफ लाइफ.